Alright my people, welcome back to the vlog. I want to show you this real quick. This right here. If you're familiar with this, then you know what to do. Now if you like me and you never run into this before, these things are metal. And I don't know if Mazda did it on purpose, so you have to go to them to get the bumper out or anything. But me, I don't care, man. I'm gonna break them all. But this thing, I don't know how to get them out. So I'm just breaking them off. And then like that, I don't have to deal with them again, because I'm not putting them back on. So I'm just giving you a heads up. If you're ever planning on remove the front bumper, you're gonna run into these things. And these metal things, I don't know, I'm telling you, I have a lot of cars and I never run into them things. But this thing, this is just ridiculous what they put there. It seems like they just want to make it really difficult for you to do it yourself, and you have to go somewhere or maybe get like a special tool. Maybe there is a way to get them out that I don't know, but I don't have time for it. So what I'm doing is that I'm just breaking them off. I'm kind of messing up the paint a little bit, but it's alright because nobody see that in there. And I'm just ripping them off, and that's what I'm doing, just ripping them off, throwing them shit to the side. Just so you know, give you a heads up, this is a Mazda 3. I'm about to replace the front grille, and that's the reason why I'm trying to take the front bumper off. So I just wanted to do this short video just to give you a heads up. Be prepared whenever you're gonna replace the bumper. And they put a lot of them around. They put them, then they put these clips here, then they put this to hold it, and then they put this one here, and this one here, they go like really deep inside. Like for you to get that out, you have to like get like a really small flat screwdriver and just trying to dig it out for you to get them out. I mean, they really did what they had to do just to make it difficult on you. But me, I don't care. I break whatever I have to break. As long as clips, I don't care about them. But I already got them all off. So, oh no, I didn't. I got one more. Here's one more. There's a lot of them. And they're a pain in the ass. So I'm just letting you know. What I'm doing is I'm just breaking the top so I can get them out. Where I put the light here. Breaking the top to get them out. Breaking that crap, throwing it to the side, and then whatever is left in there, I push it down so it falls, and then when I take the front bumper, I pick all them pieces up. But just to give you a heads up. And then on the bottom, let me show you. On the bottom, you have all clips, screws, and clips, and a bunch of other stuff. So just so you have an idea. Any question, leave it in the comment section. If you really know how to take them out without breaking them, leave it in the comment section too. Maybe I end up buying more and put them back on. So just let me know. Alright? Until the next one. You already know. Be safe.